Hi friends, today I want to show you how you can get started with learning Python in just 10 minutes. So Python is a high-level general purpose object-oriented programming language that is widely used by many companies across the world today. It has a vast user community and also has a huge set of libraries suitable for various applications in different fields. So I will show you two options. One is you can download the software and then start working with Python locally on your machine. For that you need to visit the official website of Python, which is python.org. And then once you visit the website, you can click on downloads, where you will be able to find the latest versions of the software that you can download based on your operating system, Windows, Linux, Mac and Mac OS and all. So once you download the software and follow the simple steps to install the software, you can open Python shells to start writing Python programs. So Python shell is called Python IDLE. So this is the Python idle, right, which is the Python shell. Once you open Python shell, you will be able to see that I am using Python 3.7.3 version, right? So here you can start writing Python instructions and Python programs, right? So let us follow the general practice of writing a hello world application. So if you want to display something to the output, you need to use an output function. The output function in Python is a print. So you need to use a print instruction or print method to write something to the output. So I'm writing print, and then within that one you just have to write the message that you want to display, hello world, right, and then enter. So here you will be able to see the output in the console. So the strings are enclosed in Python either in double quotes or in single quotes. So here I have enclosed the message which is a string within double quotes. We can also use single quotes. Let me show you that one. Welcome to Python learning. Some other message, whatever message that you want to display within single quotes, and press enter. Here you will be able to see the output, right? So like that you can continue with Python shell, writing programs and learning Python, right? The other option is if you don't want to install the software, right, locally on your machine, there are several options available. One of the popular option is Jupyter Notebook, right? For that you have to visit jupyter.org, which is the official website, right? Once you visit that particular site, you can install the Jupyter software locally on your machine or click on try it in your browser, where you will be able to see multiple Jupyter notebooks here. Jupyter Notebook is an online environment that is available for you to write programs in different languages. As you can see, we have R, C++ and all. For Python, you can use either Classic Notebook or Jupyter Lab. So let me click on Classic Notebook. Once you click on Classic Notebook, it will start binding your machine with a note repository. In case if the binding is not successful, you can go back and try the other option, Jupyter Lab. So let us see here what happens. So it is trying to bind and start a remote repository that you should be able to access. So I encourage you to go and learn more about the Jupyter Notebook. Documentation is available online. You can Google also to find additional resources. So I think here the binding is successful. Then a Jupyter Notebook interface will be shown to us, where you can start writing Python programs. The way to do that is you just have to insert this cell by clicking on this plus icon and then start writing programs. Let me do the same thing. I will just give the message hello world, and to run this one you have to click on the run button, right? Here you will be able to see the output, and then insert another cell again, give another message, welcome to Python using Jupyter, right? Shift enter or control enter is the shortcut key to execute the code, right? You can see the output. Welcome to Python. And you can also perform some arithmetic operations. You can press A or B to insert a new cell, which is another shortcut, right? Let me show you some arithmetic operations. 2 plus 3, shift enter. You will be able to see the output as 5, right? So similarly, you can perform multiplication, division and all. The other operator it has is a power operator. Now let me show you that one as well, right? So 3 power 2, so double asterisk, right? 3 star star 2, double asterisk is the power operator in Python. You will be able to see the output, right? And you can also declare variables in Python. Let me declare variable. A is equal to 4, B is equal to 5, A plus B, right? Shift enter, you will be able to see the output. Here what I have done is I have declared two variables A and B. Variable is a temporary memory location to store some values, right? So here I declared variables A and B and assigned values 4 and 5. I am trying to add these two variable values together. That is what you can see in the output, right? As you can notice here, you don't have to declare variable data types, right? Data types for the variables, as Python is a dynamically typed language, right? So if you want, you can also assign the value to another variable. Let me show you that one, right? I will insert one more cell, and then let us say A is equal to 45, B is equal to 3, C is equal to A into B, right? And then display the value of C. Shift enter, you will be able to see the output. Python also has a multi-variable assignment. That means you can just do A comma B is equal to 45 comma 2, for example. Instead of using two lines, in the same line you can assign values to multiple variables. Once you execute shift enter, you will be able to see the output, right? You can also declare string variables. Let me just do lang is equal to Python, right? And then print the value of the variable lang. Shift enter, you will be able to see the output, right? Let me insert another one, another cell, right? Another option is, if you want to accept some user from the user, take some input from the user, then you need to use something called input function in Python. So for that, you just have to do input and then give the message to the user that you want to display, right? So what is your favorite language, or what is your name, whatever you want to prompt, right? And they will enter some value that you want to store. Let us say lan equal to, right? And then display the value. So here to display print is the method lan. So once you execute the code, shift enter, you will be able to, you will be prompted, right, with the question what is your favorite language. Then you enter some value, press enter, you will be able to see the value, right? And you can also concatenate strings, right? Instead of just displaying the language name, if you want to say my favorite language is so and so, what you can do is you can give that message here. So my or your, right? So your favorite language is, and then value of the variable. Both are strings. To concatenate two strings in Python, you can use comma or plus operator. So here I will use plus operator. Now execute the code again. So here you can give C++, for example, whatever language, right? And then press enter. Here you will be able to see the message, your favorite language is whatever the value that they have entered. That's all. So you learned a lot today, just in 10 minutes. You know how to install the software and how to start writing programs in Python shell. You know how to use Jupyter Notebook, how to display some messages in Python using print, and how to declare variables, how to perform arithmetic operations, how to concatenate strings, how to accept a value from the user and all, right? So a good start for you. Happy learning. Take care. Thank you.